Welcome to LifeRaft. Use this section to record your goals and aspirations. For example, you can set goals for a care, health, education or behaviour plan, and then add targets and activities to monitor and review your progress. Setting up a new goal is easy. Click on Add New and enter the details. You must enter a title, and if you add a goal type, you will see the goal is linked and listed in the corresponding area of LifeRaft 2. Add people who will help you reach your target. And when ready, click on Save. Your new goal is now listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Breaking big targets down into smaller actions can be really helpful. You do need to add a title, but you choose what else you want to add. Save when you're finished. As a final step to let you keep track of progress, you can add a review to the goal or to individual actions. Click on Reviews. Select Add New Review and choose if you want to add it to the goal itself or one of the linked actions. Enter the details and save when done. Adding a review date in the future can be a great reminder, especially if an assessment is planned. As you achieve your goals and actions, mark them as completed. To replay this video, select it from the Help menu area.